and Chiku. Hip hip hooray!
How could people lift millions of heavy stones into one enormous pyramid? There was no magic. Skilled people used shape, simple tools, careful plans, and teamwork. Look at our block pyramid. Which part carries everything above it? The wide base does. Let us follow one stone and see how. The pyramid begins on a wide area of firm, level ground. That broad base spreads the heavy stone across a large patch of ground. Now place supported toy blocks above, with a grown-up nearby. Spot the change. Is each higher layer bigger or smaller? Smaller. Much of its weight presses downward through the supported layers below. So the wide base and shrinking layers help carry weight down. Our stone begins at a quarry, where builders carefully cut stone blocks. A block was far too heavy for one person to carry. Remember our promise. What could help many builders move it together? They likely used ropes to pull loaded wooden sledges as one careful team. The sledge held the stone while many steady pulls moved it forward. But loose sand can drag against a loaded sledge. Could water help? Here are two parts. One is dry and one is slightly damp. Which path might let the sledge slide more easily? The slightly damp sand can help by reducing drag around the sledge. Drag is the rubbing resistance that makes pulling harder. The amount matters. Too much water would not make a helpful path. Now our stone reaches the pyramid. How can it travel upward? Look closely at this ramp. Where must its high end meet? It meets the layer receiving the block, so the block stays supported. Sloping ramps probably help teams raise blocks with greater control. Levers could also help builders move loads in small, controlled steps. Researchers still debate the exact ramps and the order of the work. Some special stones came from farther away. How might they travel? Boats carried some special stones along the Nile, Egypt's great river. Many other stones came from quarries near the building place. Every delivery needed planning before another carefully cut block joined its layer. Surveyors made the ground level and measured the pyramid's position with care. Major pyramids line up closely with north, south, east, and west. The exact ancient surveying method is not fully known, but the results show great skill. The first Egyptian pyramid had steps. Later builders made pyramids with smooth sloping sides. Smooth white limestone once covered the Great Pyramid and shone brightly in sunlight. People made that enormous site through skilled work, planning, measurement, and teamwork. Now tell the stone's journey: wide base, sledge, helpful damp sand, ramp, then smaller supported layers. Grown-ups, subscribe to Tara and Chiku for a new fact-check adventure every day.